Welcome to the art of simplicity on a perfect filet mignon, crafted with care and patience. Every great dish begins with respect for the ingredients. Today it's just us, the steak, the salt, the heat, and a touch of red wine magic. Step 1. Prepare the steaks. Start with beautiful cuts of filet mignon. Trim away the silver skin and any tough edges. Take your time. Precision now makes tenderness later. Step 2. Rest and season. Let the steaks rest at room temperature. Pat them dry, drizzle with olive oil, and season generously with kosher salt and black pepper. The simpler the seasoning, the more honest the flavor. Step 3. Sear the first side. Heat a cast iron skillet until the oil shimmers. Lay the steak down gently. Hear that sizzle? That's flavor being born. Let it sear untouched, building that deep golden crust. Step 4. Flip and sear the other side. When the crust is perfect, flip once. That's all it takes. Control your heat. Let the pan and the steak do the work. Step 5. Check doneness and rest. Press lightly to test for tenderness, or check with a thermometer, 125 for medium rare. Then rest your steak loosely covered, letting the juices settle back inside. Step 6. Make the wine sauce. Back to the pan, pour in red wine to deglaze those caramelized bits. Let it boil and reduce, capturing every drop of flavor. Add in those resting juices. That's pure essence. Step 7. Finish with butter. Turn off the heat and swirl in cold butter, 1 cube at a time. Watch the sauce turn glossy, rich, and smooth, like silk. This is the finishing touch, flavor elevated through patience. And there it is, filet mignon with red wine butter sauce. Simple ingredients, honest technique, perfect results. Because great cooking isn't about complexity, it's about care.